fun, and learning.
Welcome, young learners. Today we'll be visiting a farm with this farm animal puzzle. We will learn about some of the animals that live on a farm. Are you ready to get going? All right, come on. The first thing we see when we get to the farm is the big red barn. Do you see the big red barn puzzle piece? Yes, there it is. The barn is where some of the animals sleep at night. The first animal we are looking for is white with black spots and makes milk for the farm. Do you know what animal we are looking for? Correct, the cow. Our next animal is pink and likes to get dirty by rolling around in the mud. Do you see a pink animal? Yes, the pig is pink. The next animal we are looking for is the brown horse. The horse is used for many things on a farm. It can be used to pull a cart of heavy farming supplies, or to pull a plow so the farmer can plant crops. Can you help me find the brown horse? Great job. There it is. The next animal we see on our farm has wings to fly, but also has webbed feet to swim. Do you know what animal we're looking for? Right, we're looking for the duck. There's the duck with its little ducklings. Our next animal is gray and often has a long beard. We can use its milk to make cheese. Can you guess what animal we're looking for? Correct, we're looking for the goat. Here's the gray goat. The next animal we are looking for is the sheep. It has long white fur, which we can use to make clothes. Do you see the sheep? That's right. Here's the sheep. The last animal we see on our visit to the farm makes eggs for us to eat. Do you know what animal we're looking for? Great job! We're looking for the chicken. Our chicken is right here. And she has a little chick with her. Wow, young learners, that was a fabulous trip to the farm. I hope you had as much fun as me learning about some of the animals on a farm. If you did, please like and subscribe for more fun and learning videos. Bye bye!